Oh my gosh, why is that leaning so much? Okay, so this is my 2016 KLX110L. I built this thing a few years ago, and then I brought it to a car event, and my girlfriend was riding it around the pits, and it just shut off, and then I got it to fire back up, and it was just knocking. And then I popped this cover off, and I found a little metal dowel pin in there. I have no idea where it came from, but I know it's definitely a timing thing. So I'm gonna get tearing into this thing and try to diagnose what our issue is, and I wanna get it fixed. It's been sitting here broken long enough. Or nor. So I'm pretty sure that dowel that I found came from right here. That looks to be where all the sludge is coming from. Alright, so I have found out that it is that pin on the cam gear. There's supposed to be a dowel pin right here, and it's missing. And I thought it was right away when I popped this timing cover off the first time and found a dowel laying in here. But I just found an old picture of when I built this motor, and I will toss that up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There's just a little rolled dowel pin there, and it's not there now. So what I'm going to try is getting this rectified, whether I have to get a new OEM setup with that dowel pin again, or getting an aftermarket gear that deletes this, or just take this off the stock gear. I don't know yet. And then just cycle some oil through this engine because there is sludge everywhere. I don't know how that little pin wreaks so much havoc. And at this point, the damage is pretty much done. That sludge is everywhere in the engine already, and it's been there for I don't know how long. You know, that pin could have fallen out, and it didn't start knocking until later on. This thing seems really, I don't remember it being this sloppy, so I wonder, the engine rotates this way, so I wonder if this thing wasn't like getting flung out and like hitting on something in there. Maybe that's what made all the sludge. I have no idea, but we're gonna find out. Alrighty, it's day number 2 working on this thing, but today we got some parts. I'll get these opened up, you'll see what they are. Forgot to order something crucial though, so unfortunately not going to be able to finish this today, but we're going to get it really close. I forgot to order the gasket for here. Totally just spaced it, totally forgot about it. Like I knew that gasket ripped when I took it off, but I just totally forgot about it. So dumb move on my part, but it'll be a few days and it'll be here. So get these bad boys cracked open. So this is just an oil change kit. Quart of oil, filter, crush washer, and the filter housing O-ring. This is what we need. So this is an 02 to 09 cam for a KLX110, and then it comes with a camshaft reducer for the 2010 and up head, which I have the 2016 factory head in this thing, and then a cam gear. And from what I understand, the 02 to 09s did not have the decompression gear. They call it a decompression cam. I don't understand how it works, any of that, so sorry. But they do not have that decompression gear. So you gotta go to an 02 to 09 cam, and then you can get the solid cam gear with no decompression stuff on it. And then the little reducer. So we'll get that tossed in. This is an aftermarket cam, So this is an aftermarket cam. I don't know if I said anything. I have no idea what it is. It's a BBR cam, I know that for sure, but I don't know what spec or cut or whatever you want to call it is. I know it's kind of rowdy. It's like borderline not running on a stock head, which very well could be why I had issues. Because this is a stock head with a 143 kit. This should fix our problems. This should help fix our problems. And me not having a gasket is not benefiting us in any sort of way. So I'm going to go ahead and get going on this cam. I know it's a bit of a process. And then get this new cam put in here, get it all timed up, get it all back together to the point of just needing that gasket, and that's all I can really do for now.